Alright, we got an SBR. There it goes. You went off. Hello, there you go. Thank you. I made this alert. Thank you.
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Berks County in eastern Pennsylvania, Montgomery County in southeastern Pennsylvania, Chester County in southeastern Pennsylvania until 9:45 p.m. At 9:19 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Green Lane to near Honey Brook, moving east at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to roofs, siding, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Westchester, Norristown, Pottstown, Phoenixville, Lansdale, West Norton, East Norton, Coatesville, Downingtown, Ambler, Birdsboro, Collegeville, Royersford, Parkersburg, Schwenksville, Alverson, and Green Lane. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the
Oh, you... What the hell did you do? You're on power.
Do not wait until you hear thunder before taking cover. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9:45 p.m. for the following county. The National Weather Service in Mount...
Okay, why did you reset? Oh, you go this time.
The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Carroll County in north-central Maryland, northwestern Harford County in northern Maryland, northeastern Frederick County in north-central Maryland, northern Baltimore County in northern Maryland, until 10:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 9:23 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Manchester to near Westminster to close.
Oh man, my relatives are under it. Of course they are.
Until 9:45, 60 miles per hour. Source, radar indicated and observed wind at Hagerstown Regional Airport in near Plymouth. Damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible.
Yep. Cannot get the FMs. Mount Airy, yep. I got relatives under it.
Manchester and Sacresville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
So much for a supermoon.
A severe thunderstorm warning remains.
Thanks. Really was hoping to see a supermoon tonight, but I guess that's going to be a no. Alright, I knew it. We were getting a warning for Baltimore City. I figured that was going to happen.
10 to 15 miles. The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Baltimore City in northern Maryland, central Harford County in northern Maryland, southern Baltimore County in northern Maryland, Cecil County in northeastern Maryland, until 10:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 9:50 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located.
We don't get 97, do we?
The strong wind.
Nope.
Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Baltimore, Pikesville, Little River, Elk Ridge, Elkton, Aberdeen, Havre de Grace, Aberdeen Proving Ground, Wheeler's Island, North Point State Park, Sparrows Point, Back River, Calvert, Ellicott City, Dunville.
Okay, so two things. One, we're probably going to be experiencing some SMWs soon. And two, do I really have to correct you on this, LWX? You don't say Tosin, you say Towson. That's how you say it. Two, it's Ellicott City, not Ellicott City. So, I don't know how many times I gotta correct you, LWX.
Chesapeake Bay from Pools Island to Sandy Point, Maryland. Chesapeake Bay
Just
north
as
of
I
Pools
said that,
Island, Maryland.
30
Chester
seconds
River
later
to
an
Queenstown,
SMW is
Maryland.
issued.
Patapsco River, including Baltimore Harbor, until 10:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 9:51 p.m., showers were located along a line extending from near Havre de Grace to 7 nautical miles west of Middle River to 18 nautical miles north of Key Bridge, moving east at 55 knots. Hazard, rapid onset of wind gusts up to 48 knots. Source, Violette observed wind gusts across northern Maryland. Impact, boaters could easily be thrown overboard by suddenly higher wind and waves capsizing their vessel. Boats could suffer significant damage in high winds. Locations impacted include Fort Smallwood State Park, Pinehurst, Turkey Point, North Point State Park, Magothy River, Hart Miller Island, Rock Hall, Dobbins Island, Gibson Island, Bodkin Point, Dorchester Beach, Pools Island, Spissovy Island, Love Point, Gunpowder River, Sandy Point State Park, Baltimore Light, Northeast River, 7-Foot Knoll, and Aberdeen Proving Ground. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 10
Haha, yeah, I knew it. I knew it. Literally 30 seconds after I finished the last clip, as I was editing the SVR, we get an SMW. I knew that was gonna happen.
Eastern Pennsylvania, southeastern Lehigh County in eastern Pennsylvania, Montgomery County in southeastern Pennsylvania, northeastern Chester County in southeastern Pennsylvania, northwestern Philadelphia County in southeastern Pennsylvania, southern Northampton County in eastern Pennsylvania, Delaware County in southeastern Pennsylvania, until 10:45 p.m. At 10:05 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Steuben to near New Morgan, moving southeast at 55 miles per
I'm
hour.
glad I got this one.
Hazard, 60 miles per
Now, are you gonna turn off again?
Source, automated weather station. Impact, damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Philadelphia, Allentown, Reading, Easton, Westchester, Bethlehem, Norristown, Chester, Pottstown, Phoenixville, Lansdale, West Norton, Forks, East Norton, Yadden, Emmaus, Westtown, Northampton, Quakertown, and Purposeview. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This severe thunderstorm may contain little or no lightning. Do not wait until you hear thunder before taking cover. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 10:45 p.m. for the following county: Berks, Pennsylvania. The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe
Alright then.
warning for Curtin County in northwestern New Jersey,
Oh.
southwestern Warren in northwestern New Jersey, southeastern Berks County in eastern Pennsylvania.
Alright, cool. Thanks, Mount Holly.